Losing a tooth can be a distressing experience, and it's not just about the aesthetics. It can affect your overall oral health and your quality of life in several ways. Tooth implants have emerged as a revolutionary solution, offering numerous benefits that go beyond just filling the gap in your smile. So, let's delve into why tooth implants are so crucial. 1. A long-term investment in oral health. First and foremost, dental implants are a long-term investment in your oral health. Unlike other tooth replacement options, such as dentures or bridges, dental implants are designed to last a lifetime with proper care. 2. Supports your overall health. When a tooth is lost, the surrounding bone can begin to deteriorate over time. Dental implants stimulate the jawbone just like natural teeth do, helping to preserve its density and strength. 3. Improve your self-esteem. Having a complete and beautiful smile can boost your self-image and make you feel more comfortable in social situations. When you lose a tooth, it can lead to a sunken appearance in your face, prematurely aging your look. Implants help maintain the natural structure of your face and prevent this from happening. And 4. Comfortable to use. Let's not forget that dental implants can save you time and hassle in the long run. Unlike dentures, which require removal and cleaning, implants are a permanent fixture in your mouth.